welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are not, I hope you will subscribe. I like to do hauls, craftings, unboxings, just different things on here. Today I have some friend mail. This first one comes from Diana, from Diana Loves Collars. So this is, I'm assuming, a thank you card. Look at the little mermaid tail and the turtle. So pretty. That's so pretty. If you get that closer, you can see that. So pretty. Okay, it's just a pretty thank you card here. Sharon, thanks so much for your entry to my challenge. All that glitters. The papers were so pretty. And you know how much I adore vellum. It was so thoughtful for you to send the beach house sign to me. You know it's already up on the wall. She did send me a video. She put it on the wall. Thank you so much. And then she sent a little envelope of, oh, look at that bow. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at these bows. She knows I love bows, like I know she loves vellum. And some bling and meow. It's so cute. Just a little bag full of goodies. Oh, I just love little things like this too. Who doesn't, right? Oh, thank you so much, Diana. You're so welcome. I had fun entering your challenge. Congratulations on the growth of your channel. So exciting. Okay, and this comes from Blonde Amazon, my friend Deanna. Of course, I will link all these channels in the description box. If you have not checked out their channel, I encourage you to do so. They are some terrific, terrific ladies. Oh, look at that. What in the world? Oh, look. Look how pretty this is. Deanna, you probably do not know this, but I do collect magnets and put them on my refrigerator. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know what that's called when you do that. It's like, it looks like it's moving. So pretty. Thank you so much. Look at this adorable card. Thank you so much for entering my birthday challenge. XOXO Deanna. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this little sun. That's a beautiful little card. Thank you, ladies, so much, and you're so welcome. I enjoyed entering your challenges so much. And then this box comes from my friend Miss J over on Miss J 00. If y'all don't know her channel, please go check her channel out. She is another super amazing person. All these ladies are amazing crafters. They do lots of things on their channels, hauls, unboxings, reviews. Definitely check their channels out if you have not. They're also amazing supporters and friends. Oh, sending you Crafty hugs. Craftiness is happiness. Craftiness is happy. Someone has to try to get those stickers off there. Save those. Oh my goodness, Miss J, what is in here? I've got to get some happy mail out to some of you ladies. I am working on things. I promise I am. I take forever to do stuff. I'm so sorry about that. I really am. Trying to get better. I've almost got my craft room completely organized to where I can get to things much quicker. And I'm going to sit down and do, like, make up a bunch of different things so I can have some different things already made up, like a bunch of rosettes, you know, just things like that. And then all I have to do is decorate them. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait till I'm gonna sit this over here. Wait till you all see. Most of you have already seen that. Oh, look how cute. Friends are the sunshine of life. I love this stamp, and this stamp is so cute. That is true. That is so true. I'm so happy to have met some of you ladies on here. Just terrific people. Look at this beautiful card she has made. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? All different dates on here. Isn't this so pretty? Dream, live, create. Oh, Miss J, you are so welcome. You are just, you know, I hope everybody can go and enjoy her channel. She's such a great person. Look at this cute little ice cream cone, and I think she said she got this on Temu. I need to find these because these are so cute. Let's see. Look how stinking adorable it is. And then she put these cute little pom-poms in here. Look how adorable this. Oh, she's got to tape that. I don't want to tape that. That is too stinking cute. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you so much, Miss J. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't this adorable? Oh, that is such a cute little notebook. Magnetized there. Oh, Miss J, thank you so much. Oh, look, she sent some pens to go along with that. Erasable pens. Oh my goodness, thank you. Those are so pretty. Thank you so much, Miss J. Thank you, thank you. Look at this, look. She sent me the little pocket letter notebook she made. And let's get crafty. Oh my goodness, look at how adorable this is. So I shared this in a Temu haul, and she put in the comments what a good idea it would be to turn this into a pocket ladder. And that's exactly what she did. She said that in my comments. She ordered it, and that's what she did. She turned it into a pocket ladder. Look how cute this is. I can totally make that. Oh, life's a stitch. And then look, she has taken her heat tool and made this into a shaker page. Eat, sleep, and craft. Eat, sleep, craft. Creative girl. So cute. My happy place. Isn't this just adorable? Oh, and then she put some little bling back here. Then you have your craft card and your little tools. Oh, and then she put some tags back in here in this pocket. Oh, I love this tag. This is so pretty. This die is so pretty. Live, love, create. Oh, and then she put some of these little stickers back here. I'm thinking she made these stickers. Sending you crafty hugs. My happy little crafty place. Got a glue gun and paintbrush. Sending you crafty hugs. I think she made these stickers. Craftiness is happiness. Oh, I love these. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. Color me happy. And this is a shaker. Look how stinking adorable. Oh, and then she put some little flowers back here for me. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Snacks and crafts. Oh yes, snacks and crafts. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, then she put some adorable little butterflies. Oh, look how pretty these are. Oh, Miss J, thank you so much. My happy place. Look how adorable that is. Oh, then she put some. Oh, look how cute. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, that bike. Oh, look how adorable. Go with the flow. Oh my goodness, thank you, Miss J. I just love ephemera. So cute. This is just too stinking cute. Such a crafty girl. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and then she put me some little cameras in there. See the good. Oh, this is just so adorable. I just love this. Look how adorable. I will just treasure this forever. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Such a wonderful idea with this. So cute. Just adorable. Oh my goodness. Miss J, thank you so much. If you are not subscribed to all these ladies, please go check out their channel. You will enjoy them so much. You can see how sweet they are and the creativity and just the kindness. So, all right, I appreciate y'all coming to watch this video. Thank you all so much. And if you have not gotten signed up for the summer swap, we're going to close this out Yeah, I think Friday's the last day, the 28th, that you can sign up. And I appreciate everybody who's already signed up. I'm so excited. All right, I hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you are having so much fun, you and your whole family. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.